If you go ahead and search top programming languages of the day, or top 5 programming languages of the day, or top 10 programming languages of the day, you will get lots of articles, links, videos on this particular topic. And pretty much everyone will have their own opinion about what are top 10, 5 programming languages of the day. Of course, there will be few things that will be common, but pretty much everyone has their own opinion, own data, and own set of reasonings to say so, right? This is the top language or something like that. But I have a different opinion, and I certainly believe that we should not look into these things, because identifying top programming language is very similar to the picture you are seeing in your screen. Yes, each and every programming language has its own capacity, own capability, and own area of expertise. We cannot judge everything via one scale, like how many people are using it, how many people are taking name of it, how many colleges have this as a programming language. We should get away from this. Now, I have said it multiple times and I am saying it again. If there is anything, any programming language that exists today, it exists because it excels in some area, some scenario, some situation where it is better than any other programming language. And that's the only reason, that's the precise reason it exists on this particular planet, or it exists in the list of programming languages. So, no programming languages are 100% perfect, and the criteria we use for selecting top programming languages, they are just stupid criteria. They don't make any sense. For example, let's go ahead and assume that I am a college student. I am going and studying a programming language. Which language I will study? The language provided by my curriculum or my college, right? I don't have any option. I don't have a choice over there. I'll go ahead and learn that language. If I go ahead and join a company, right? Which language I will work on? I will not go ahead and work on the language of my choice. I'll go ahead and work on the language the company is working on. They will not change language for me or my choice, even if I'll say something is better. No, it is not gonna happen, and it is unlikely to happen even in the near future. I am gonna use the same language, right? So where is my choice comes into picture? And if I am filling out those Stack Overflow surveys and other surveys, where is my choice coming into picture? I go to a company, I work on a language on which the company is working. I study the language which the company is asking me to study, or company is asking me to work on. Nothing, right? There is no choice per se. And at the same time, pretty much 90 to 95% of the things you can do in any language. In some language it will be easy, in some language it will be difficult, in some languages there will be frameworks, there will be libraries, in some language there will be no libraries, no frameworks, you need to create those. And that's the difference. So what we must do now is that as a software development community, as a programmer community, as a developer community, as a person or people or set of people working in a different programming languages, we should come together and say that, look, we are not gonna rank programming languages, okay? At least we are not gonna rank programming languages in the way we are ranking it today, because it gives a wrong impression that number one programming language, we should go ahead and start using that. Because many people might be taking this particular decision based on Stack Overflow list, or some YouTubers or influencer or good names. What it might lead to is that some companies, some people might be using different programming languages just because it features in top 5 or 10 languages without much of research based on their own scenarios and circumstances, and they don't look into what is appropriate for their own problem statement. And we should come together and say enough is enough. No top 5 languages, no top 10 languages. If anyway we want to come up with this kind of statement like top 5 or top 10 programming languages, we must do it based on some criteria, like some problem statement. Like if you want to create a microservice which is connecting to a database, you can say in this particular scenario these languages are having libraries, and these languages works faster in this particular case, and that's the reason we should go ahead and maybe try out this, or top 5 in my opinion in this particular problem area. A generalized statement saying that these are top 5 or 10 programming languages, we should stop this. We as a community of software developers should come and stop this, because this doesn't make any sense to me, and I do believe that it doesn't make sense to you either. Thank you all. Thanks for watching. We will meet again. Until the next time we meet, good day, goodbye. You take care.